is that it has been sustained entirely by volunteers, remarkable individuals, many of them are not here today with us anymore, who have given their time out of love for their community and culture. Among them, today, I will name 4 who stand out for their exceptional dedication. Rosemary Poklar has been instrumental in ensuring the program's continued success, contributing her time and energy to share Slovenian music, stories and news with great enthusiasm and professionalism. Her steadfast commitment has helped Slovenian heritage alive in Adelaide. Cvetka Petrovski has been a passionate advocate for Slovenian culture, dedicating herself to bringing engaging and informative content to listeners. Through her efforts, she has strengthened connections between the Slovenian community and their homeland, fostering unity and pride. Next one is Vida Končina, who has played an invaluable role in shaping the program, volunteering tirelessly to preserve Slovenian traditions and language for future generations. Her dedication has ensured that the program remains a cornerstone of Slovenian identity in South Australia. And last but not least, Ana Maria Zupančič has devoted herself wholeheartedly to the mission of the Slovenian radio program, enriching the broadcasts with her insight and passion. Her contributions have had a profound impact on fostering a sense of belonging within the community. In recognition of their outstanding service, I have the great pleasure to honor these dedicated members of the Slovenian community with special awards on behalf of the Minister for Slovenes Abroad, Mr. Matej Arčon, a well-deserved tribute to their exceptional contributions. I would like to invite all of them closer to the stage, please. And now I will speak in Slovenian because also the awards are written in Slovenian. Torej, prvo priznanje in zahvalo prejme gospa Rosemary Poklar za dolgoletno soustvarjanje slovenskega radijskega programa v Adelaidi, dragocen prispevek k ohranjanju slovenske kulture, tradicije in jezika ter krepitev povezanosti slovenske skupnosti v Južni Avstraliji navznoter in z domovino. Priznanje in zahvalo prejme gospa Cvetka Petrovski za dolgoletno sodelovanje pri ustvarjanju slovenskega radijskega programa v Adelaidi, globoko predanost slovenski skupnosti v Južni Avstraliji ter ključno vlogo pri ohranjanju njene kulture, povezanosti in dobre obveščenosti. Naslednje priznanje in zahvalo prejme gospa Vida Končina za dolgoletno sodelovanje pri ustvarjanju slovenskega radijskega programa v Adelaidi, globok čut zadolžnosti do slovenske skupnosti ter neomajno predanost promociji slovenske kulture, jezika in novic v Južni Avstraliji. In zadnje priznanje in zahvalo prejme gospa Ana Marija Zupančič za dolgoletno soustvarjanje slovenskega radijskega programa v Adelaidi, za nesebično delo in globoko zavezanost ohranjanju slovenske kulture, jezika in enotnosti znotraj slovenske skupnosti v Južni Avstraliji ter njene povezanosti z domovino. Now, where is my speech? So many papers. So, additionally, we must also recognize the Slovenian radio program itself, an institution that has stood as a beacon of Slovenian culture for half a century. Through its dedication to preserving heritage, strengthening community bonds, and embracing change, it has ensured that the voices, traditions, and stories of Slovenians in Adelaide continue to be heard. It is only fitting that we honor this program with an award, acknowledging its enduring impact and profound contribution to the Slovenian community in Adelaide. Well, this one is bigger. Torej, priznanje in zahvalo. Ob 50-letnici delovanja Preme, slovenski program na radiju 5EBI v Adelaide za neprecenljivo vlogo pri promociji slovenske kulture in jezika v Južni Avstraliji, spodbujanje kulturnih izmenjav ter krepitev povezanosti tako znotraj tamkajšnje slovenske skupnosti kot med njo in domovino. Matej Arčon, minister. So, before I conclude, I wish to say that as we mark this historic occasion, I would like to extend Slovenia's deepest gratitude to all who have sustained this program for 50 years. That's more than my age, including the listeners. Without them, this endeavor loses its purpose. I wish the producers and listeners will continue to enjoy making and listening the Slovenian program in Adelaide for at least 50 more years. May this program continue to inspire and connect future generations. Najlepša hvala vsem, and thank you all for your dedication and love for Slovenia, its people, and your own Slovenian community here. Hvala lepa.
I got a birthday cake.